Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear respected brothers and sisters, Jummah Mubarak to all of you, and may the peace and blessings and mercies of Allah Almighty be upon each and every one of you. Alhamdulillah, once again I am here to share with you some ahadith of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. My dear respected brothers and sisters, when we hear about charity, first thing comes in our mind is spending money in the way of Allah Almighty. That is called charity. But charity is not only spending money in the way of Allah Almighty. Charity is more than giving money. The concept of charity is not limit to wealth only. As mentioned in hadith, this hadith mentioned in Sahih al-Bukhari, that the Prophet of Almighty Allah said, your smile for your brother is a charity. Allahu Akbar. You're talking to your parents, you're talking to your friend and your relative and your brothers and sisters with a smiley face, in a decent way, in a gentle way. That is charity on behalf of you in the sight of Allah Almighty, and you will get the same reward as you get reward when you spend money in the way of Allah Almighty. And again, the Prophet of Almighty Allah said, your removal of stones, thrones and bones from the paths of people is a charity on behalf of you. You are going somewhere and you are seeing and watching harmful objects on the road, on the path of the people, and you are removing them. Believe me, this is charity on behalf of you in the sight of Allah Almighty. Allahu Akbar. And after that, the Prophet of Almighty Allah said, your guidance of a person who is lost is a charity on behalf of you. If a person going somewhere and he lost, he doesn't know where to go, he doesn't know the direction, and you are guiding him, you are telling him the right path, this is also charity on behalf of you. Concept of charity is wide. Do not limit it to wealth only. So my dear respected brothers and sisters, if you are not in a state of prosperity, you cannot spend too much money in the way of Allah Almighty. Don't need to be worried. Just act upon this hadith. Just talk to people in a gentle way. Talk to your parents, your brothers and sisters and relatives, your friends. Talk to them in a gentle way, in a decent way. That will be considered charity on behalf of you. If you are going somewhere and you are seeing harmful object on the road, on the path of the people, just remove them. This act will be considered as a charity on behalf of you in the sight of Allah Almighty. So my dear respected brothers and sisters, we make dua Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to become beneficial for His creation. Ameen bijahi Nabiyil Ameen sallallahu ta'ala wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.